Hello everyone, welcome to TS Book Learn. Next we'll go for the next chapter, which is whole numbers. In the whole numbers chapter, and the next exercise will be 2.1. First exercise is exercise 2.1, first bit. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Correct the false statements. Right. Then first one is there is a natural number that has no predecessor. We have to identify whether it is true or false. It is a answer is true because the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. But 0 is not a natural number. It will become a whole number again. So predecessor of 1 is 0, which is not a natural number. So this sentence is true. This statement is true. Next bit is 0 is the smallest whole number. Is it true or false? This is true because whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So 0 is the smallest. So this statement is correct, which is true. Third bit is all whole numbers are natural numbers. It will be false because whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But in natural numbers there is no 0. So the statement becomes false. Whole numbers have 0, but natural numbers does not have 0. So these are the few definitions for the natural number, successor and predecessor. Natural number means the numbers which will be starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. The next number of any natural number is called the successor, and the next number of the number before a natural number is called a predecessor. These are the definitions. And the next bit is this is also like a definition. We can say all natural numbers are whole numbers because whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we can say that natural numbers are all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but we cannot say all whole numbers are natural numbers because whole number contains 0 and natural number does not contain any 0. Next bit is a whole number that lies on the number line lies to the right side of another number is greater number. If we draw a number line, this statement will become true because a whole number that lies on the number line lies to the right side of another number is the greater number. That means right side of 0 will be 1, which is greater than 0, and right side of 1 will be 2, which is greater than 1. Right side of 2 will be 3, which is greater than 2. So this statement becomes true. I have given here example also. For example, 1 is a whole number right side of 0, which is also a whole number, and 1 is greater than 0 and so on. This will continues till the end of all the digits. Next bit is a whole number on the left of another number on the number line is greater. This will become false because if we see in this example, left side of 1 is 0, which is less than 1. It is not greater than 1. So that statement becomes false because in the above example, left side of 1 is 0, which is smaller. Next bit is sixth one. We can't show the smallest whole number on the number line. It will be false because whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And we can show that 0 on the number line. So this statement becomes false. Smallest whole number is 0. And the seventh bit is we can show the greatest whole number on the number line. We cannot show the greatest whole number on the number line because it will goes on. The numbers will goes on from 0. Starting from 0, the numbers will goes on up to infinity. We couldn't say which is the greatest whole number. So statement becomes false. Thank you.